Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to fix the no delete button issue in DaVinci Resolve 18. I got two comments under my video of the how to delete a project in DaVinci Resolve video, and they said that they don't see the delete button. So let's do it all again. Click on the house button until you see your project, and let's say we want to delete the close current project. And if you right click on it, you don't see any delete button. Why is this so? Because it is opened right now. So just right click it and then close it like this. And then you can see it here, close current project, click it, right click it, and then you can see the delete button, or here's also the shortcut with Shift and Backspace. Just click it, then go to delete, and that's how to fix the delete button issue. Okay, that was a little hack on how to fix the no delete button issue in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.